Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to enable or disable live text on iPhone. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. To do this, firstly you need to go to your camera. So here you see your camera does not detect the words that I have in this keyboard. So firstly you need to go to your settings. Then click on General, Language and Region, and here you have option on the last corner, Live Text. Click on it. So you have one more thing to do. You can just scroll down and click on Camera. Here you have option called Show Detected Text. Click on it and now go to your camera. Now it detects the text that you have in your keyboard or anything that you have in your camera. So that was it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.